My name is Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian and culinary expert. Today, I want to share with you my top 5 grocery shopping hacks to make healthy eating the easier choice. Healthy eating begins in the kitchen. In order to make delicious, nutrient-dense meals, we have to make sure we have a well-stocked fridge, freezer, and pantry. Let's start with tip number 1. Since your health is so important to you, it's important that we prioritize our grocery shopping each week.
You can do this by scheduling it into your calendar and be strategic with the day and time. Most flyers change on Thursday morning, so sale items will be well stocked on that day.
If you want to shop later in the week, you run the risk of low stock. Now, if you want to avoid the crowds completely, go shopping either early in the morning or later in the evening. Trust me, you can even do cartwheels down the aisles. Now that you have scheduled time in your calendar, it's time to move on to tip number 2. Always brainstorm and prepare a grocery list ahead of time. Having a list with you will keep you on track with both time and budget.
I recommend categorizing your grocery list into 4 main groups: non-starchy carbohydrates, starchy carbohydrates, protein, and fat. You can always write down a generic type of protein and then select the specific cut when you're in the store, depending on availability, freshness, or store promotions.
This brings me to tip number 3. Review flyers, or better yet, use apps such as Flip to help you decide on where to shop or price match. Based on the weekly specials, you can then further narrow down the specific cuts of meat or the type of vegetables that you want to prepare for the week ahead.
At this point, you would have created a menu template for the week, which consists of the different proteins, vegetables, and starches that you'll be preparing.
Before heading to the store, don't forget this tip number 4, which is double checking your fridge, pantry, and freezer to see what you already have to ensure that you're not buying doubles or triples of an item.
If you still have vegetables from the week before, try adding them into your weekly meal prep rather than purchasing a fresh new bunch of cauliflower or celery.
Last but not least is tip number 5. Do not go grocery shopping when you're hungry. When you're hangry, your willpower is weakest and you're more likely to impulse shop, which could lead to unhealthy food choices. Set yourself up for success by eating beforehand. Now, if you're running from errand to errand, make sure you pack some healthy snacks in your bag, such as some nuts or granola bar to hold you over until you get home. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple tips, you'll be able to save time, money, and most importantly, you'll make grocery shopping a breeze.